How to set city in honor of kings. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set the city. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here we in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to see different information related to profile and your history. Now here on the right top you can see a drop down button of settings. Tap on settings and simply select info. So here on the top there's an option called set city. So you can simply tap on this button. So you must have the location services on and it will automatically detect the settings and it will set all the map of your location. So this is in order to add other friends related to your area or even to show other friends where you live. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.